Hello, Chef here with another recipe for you. This is a USDA Choice Black Angus boneless chuck roast. I'm gonna put it through some moves and cook it on the grill, probably for a few hours. But real quickly, I just want to show you a marinade, a simple marinade. Starts with a mixing bowl, and you take your roast like so, put it in the bowl. Get this paper out of the way. Okay, roast is in the bowl. I've got 2 cloves of garlic that I've smashed, and I'm going to rub the garlic all over the beef, both sides. Release some of that flavor. Okay, I like garlic, so yeah, make it 3 cloves. A lot of garlic all over there, real nice. Okay. Sea salt, gotta have it. Both sides. This is the pink Himalayan sea salt, very popular right now. Fresh ground black pepper. Oh yeah. Both sides. Worcestershire sauce. Not promoting any brands here, just want to put a generous amount of Worcestershire sauce on here. Both sides. Herbs de Provence blend. Both sides. About 2 tablespoons total. One more thing. Liquid smoke. Adds a smoky taste. I like it. And it's all natural. This is the real deal. You only need a few drops. I'm going to put a few drops on each side. Oh yeah. That right there is going to be really, really good. And now you want to cover it, refrigerate it at least a few hours. And subscribe, like, share, check out the channel. There's a ton of recipes for steak on the channel. And I might show you this when it's all done. Basically, this is just a quick marinade. You're gonna love it. And here is this awesome looking piece of meat. It's gonna go in the Dutch oven, slow cooker, with a bunch of garden vegetables. A piece of the finished braised beef. Couple of small potatoes, a little bit of beef here, and a couple carrots, as well as a onion right here. Garnish, a touch of diced tomatoes. And that's it. For the full recipe, check out the channel. There's all kinds of beef stews and ideas there. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Get cooking.